Have you noticed that airport opening hours are becoming increasingly complicated lately? That's why we've introduced a brand new way of entering airport opening hours into Lyon, covering all scenarios, even the most exotic ones. No more worries about expired visas. From now on, the status of the visa required in the destination country will affect the color of the crew dot in the crew tab. And finally, the cherry on top of this Dev Diary cake. Lyon will now allow you to book a quote with the "to be announced" checkbox ticked. Such a trip will appear as to be confirmed in the ops view.